on our way to Ganesh Gaon to check out a school that has approached us and requested us to reconstruct it. They have half-assedly constructed it and now it's become blocks which have no sense of togetherness. And the last time I had visited this school with a friend of mine, an uncle of a family friend of ours, that is Mr. Parekh. I had seen the school in a dilapidated condition, so which is when they asked us if we could reconstruct the same. And today's visit is all about that, to see what the situation is right now, what all needs to be done, how can we help, plan and take it further. So enjoy the beautiful ride. And here we are at the school that we are going to look at, Ganesh School. The Ganeshwadi School. The name of this village is Ganeshwadi, and let's go have a look. That's the entrance. Okay, that's the main school building, which has got 2 classrooms here. One is the 4th standard and one is the 1st standard. Okay, and now this is the staff room. Okay, this is another empty classroom. This is a wasteful space here because of the bad design of the school. Now there's this passage that goes until the end, which is again a waste of space. And there are 2 more classrooms here.
Stand up, let's go! Good afternoon, madam. Namaste.
Namaste. Basa.
Thank you, madam.
तुम्हाला इथे नवीन शाळा बांधून हवी असेल का? कशी हवी? छान. काय काय हवं त्यात? बेंच आणि टेबल, खुर्ची, फळा, घड्याळ, हा, कलर, बल्ब, हा, फॅन, फॅन पण नाहीये, फुटबॉल, टीव्ही, हा, कम्प्युटर आवडेल ना? कम्प्युटर साठी एक वेगळी रूम पण लागेल त्यासाठी, है की नाही? आपण ही रिक्वेस्ट आहे ना बाहेरच्यांपर्यंत पोहोचवूयात आणि त्यांना म्हणूयात. चालेल. हो. So you see what the school looks like, and it definitely needs a whole makeover, and I hope that you will contribute and become a part of this beautiful project so that these children here can have a good memorable experience of having gone through a school and enjoyed their days, their early parts of life. So hope you take some difference if you wish to. Thank you for watching, and I love you.